One day I got a phone call from the nurse and said that my mom fell. They felt it on the monitor, which gives me peace of mind that I know my mom's being taken care of every day.
With Foresite, we help keep older adults safe, happy, and healthy, right in their own rooms. Our smart sensors can tell when someone might be at risk of falling, feeling sick, or not moving like usual. And the best part? No cameras, just privacy and peace of mind. When something doesn't look right, caregivers get an alert. That means they can help early, before something serious happens. Families love Foresite too. They know their loved one is being watched over, even when they can't be there. And if a fall does happen, the sensors send an alert so caregivers can come help right away. Foresite helps people live better, longer, and safer, because caring starts with knowing.